Let's get real for a second. Do you want more out of life? Do you want to be great? Well, greatness doesn't happen by chance. It doesn't happen by sitting still. You gotta want it. What is the first step you ask? Get uncomfortable. That's right, step outside that cozy comfort zone. That's where the magic happens. When you challenge yourself, you grow. You learn. You discover strengths you never knew you had. It's time to break free. Are you ready to push your limits? Are you ready to embrace the unknown? Because that's where you'll find your true potential. There's no shortcut to success. It takes dedication. It takes hard work. It takes the willingness to push through the tough times and keep going when things get challenging. It takes the willingness to grind when everyone else is sleeping. It means waking up before the sun rises and putting in the effort when the world is still quiet. Wake up with a purpose. Start your day with intention and focus. Set your goals high and go after them with everything you've got. Write them down, visualize them, and chase them relentlessly. Every single day is a chance to get better, to get stronger, to improve yourself in every aspect, to get closer to your dreams. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Don't be afraid to put in the work. Embrace the grind. Embrace the challenges and the obstacles. Embrace the early mornings and the late nights. These are the moments that define your journey, because that's what separates the dreamers from the achievers. It's the consistent effort and determination. Remember, success is not a destination. It's a journey. It's about the continuous pursuit of excellence. It's about constantly pushing yourself, constantly striving to be better than you were yesterday. Keep moving forward, keep improving, and never settle for less than your best. You are your greatest asset. Invest in yourself. Invest in your growth. Invest in your knowledge. Read books. Take courses. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and challenge you to be better. Never stop learning. Never stop growing. Work on your mindset. Develop a positive attitude. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, you are capable of amazing things, but you have to believe it first. Invest in yourself and watch your potential soar. Champions arise. Stories of relentless determination. History is filled with stories of ordinary people who achieved extraordinary things. People who turn their dreams into reality through sheer willpower and determination. These are people who refuse to give up on their dreams, no matter the obstacles or setbacks they faced. Think about Michael Jordan, who was cut from his high school basketball team. Did he quit? No, he did not. Instead, he used that setback as fuel to work even harder, pushing himself beyond his limits. And the rest, as they say, is history. He became one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Consider Oprah Winfrey, who was fired from her first TV job. Did she let that stop her? No, she did not. She persevered, she hustled, and she worked tirelessly to become a global media powerhouse. Her journey from a small-town girl to a media mogul is a testament to her relentless determination and hard work. These stories teach us that success is not about where you start. It's about where you finish. It's about the journey and the lessons learned along the way. It's about your mindset, your work ethic, and your unwavering belief in yourself. With these, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. No excuses. You can achieve anything. Stop with the excuses. It's time to take control of your destiny. Stop telling yourself you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, or that you lack the skills. You don't have enough time. Everyone has the same 24 hours in a day. The only limits you have are the ones you set for yourself. Break free from those self-imposed barriers. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Your potential is limitless. But you have to believe it. Believe in your abilities and your dreams. It's time to take ownership of your life. Take that first step towards your goals. It's time to stop making excuses and start taking action. No more procrastination. No more negativity. No more self-doubt. Embrace positivity and determination. You have the power within you to create the life you want. Visualize your success and work towards it every day. So go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for your greatness. Unleash your potential. The time is now. The world is waiting for you to unleash your potential. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The time is now. Get up, get moving, and start creating the life you deserve. Embrace the grind, invest in yourself, and never stop believing in your dreams. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. You are powerful beyond measure. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of. If you like this video, click this next video above to find out a secret they don't teach in school. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more posts like this one.